Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel SG Physics. So today we shall discuss various problem associated with electric field. So first let me explain what is electric field, then I will come to the question part. So electric field is basically the region around a charge body where any charge can experience a force. So if this is my point charge Q, then around these charges there will be an electric field. According to theoretically it can extend it up to infinity. So any charge, if will come inside the region of this electric field, then it will experience a force. So that is called the electric field region. So then what will be the value of electric field at a point? Suppose this is the point where I want to calculate the electric field due to this point charge Q, which is situated at a distance r. So now I will put a test charge at this point Q. Then what will happen? Then electric field due to these point charges will exert a force on these test charges along this direction. And mathematically, if we will see, electric field is defined as the force experienced by a test charge divided by test charge. This is the formula of the electric field, and we know the formula of the Coulomb force is what? What will be the force on this Q0 due to Q? It will be simply 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q0 by r square and divided by Q0. Q0 will get cancelled. It will be simply 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q by r square. So this is the value of electric field at a distance r from the point test charges. And direction of the electric field will be, for positive charge the direction of electric field is outward, and for negative charges the direction of electric field is inward. So is it clear? Now I will come to the question section. So first question was, find the force experienced by an electron in an electric field 2 into 10 to the power 4 Newton per Coulomb. So solution. So electric field is given how much? 2 into 10 to the power 4 Newton Coulomb, and electron is given. So electron given means charge of one electron is given, that is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 Coulomb. So in the question it is asking what will be the force experienced by this electron. So we know the formula. Electric field is force divided by Q, and force is simply QE. Q is given 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 Coulomb, and E is given 2 into 10 to the power 4 Newton per Coulomb. So when we multiply 1.6 with 2, it will be 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 15 Newton. So when an electron move in an electric field 2 into 10 to the power 4 Newton per Coulomb, then it will experience a force 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 15 Newton. Is it clear? So now I will go to the next question. So next question is, calculate the force experienced by a proton in an electric field 3 into 10 to the power 6 Newton per Coulomb. So this question is very similar to the previous one. So electric field is given how much? 3 into 10 to the power 6 Newton per Coulomb, and proton is given, means we know the charge of one proton is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 Coulomb, and in the question it is asking find the force experienced by the protons. So we know the formula, electric field equal to force by charge. Simply reply that F will be simply QE. Q is given 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19, and E is given 3 into 10 to the power 6. So it will be simply 4.8 10 to the power minus 13 Newton. So proton will experience a force 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 13 Newton when it travel in an electric field 3 into 10 to the power 6 Newton per Coulomb. So is it clear? Now I shall come to the next question. So next question is, calculate the acceleration produced in a proton in an electric field 100 volt per meter. So solution. So given electric field is 100 volt per meter, and proton is given means charge is given, that is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So in the question it is asking what will be the acceleration produced by the proton. So first let me find the force. So force formula is QE. Q is given 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb and E is given 100 volt. So when we simplify it will be 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 17 Newton. So now we know the formula force equal to ma, where mass m is the mass, a is the acceleration. So acceleration will be simply force by mass, and force we got how much? 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 17 Newton, and m is the mass of one proton, that is simply 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. So when we simply calculate, it will be 9.56 into 10 to the power 9 meter per second square. So this is the acceleration produced by the proton when it travel in an electric field 100 volt per meter. So is it clear? Now I shall come to the next question. So next question is, an electron move a distance 6 cm when accelerated from rest by an electric field of strength 2 into 10 to the power 4 Newton per coulomb. Calculate the time of travel. So solution. So it is given electric field is how much? 2 into 10 to the power 4 Newton per coulomb. Since electron is given, means charge of electron we know 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, and it travel a distance 6 centimeters, means 6 into 10 to the power minus 2 meters. And in the question it is asking what will be the time of the travel. Since the electron accelerated from the rest, so initial velocity will be what? 0. So now let me find what will be the force on this electron. So we know the formula F equal to QE. Q is how much? 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, and E is given 2 into 10 to the power 4. So it will be 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 15 Newton. And from this force we can find acceleration. So acceleration is simply force by mass. Force we got how much? 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 15, and mass is what? Mass of one electron, that is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. So when we divided 3.2 to 9.1, it will be 0.352 into 10 to the power 16 meter per second square. So now we have to calculate the time of travel t. So we have to apply kinematic equation S equal to ut plus half at square. S is given how much? 6 into 10 to the power minus 2 meters, and u is given 0. So means this term will 0. So half acceleration is how much? 0.352 into 10 to the power 16, and t square we have to find. So then what will be the value of t square? So t square will be 6 into 10 to the power minus 2 into 2 by 0.352 into 10 to the power 16. Now taking square root of the both sides, so t will be 6 into 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 divided by 0.352 into 10 to the power 16. So it will be 5.84 into 10 to the power minus 9 second. So time of travel will be 5.84 into 10 to the power minus second. Is it clear? So now I shall go to the next question. So next question is, calculate the electric field due to a charge of magnitude 2 microcoulomb at a distance 3 cm. So solution. So given Q is how much? 2 microcoulomb. So it will be 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb, and distance r is given 3 centimeter, means 3 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. We have to find the electric field. So electric field formula we know 1 by 4 pi epsilon q by r square. So we know the value of 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 is how much? 9 into 10 to the power 9. Q is given 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 and r is given 3 into 10 to the power minus 2 square. So when we simplify, 9 into 2 will be 18 into 3 and this is 9 into 10 to the power minus 4. So this will be 2 into 10 to the power 7 Newton per Coulomb. Is it clear? So now I will go to the next question. So next question is calculate the electric field due to a helium nucleus at a distance 1 angstrom. So solution. So before this solution, so we have to remember the charge of helium nucleus is how much? It's simply equal to the charge of alpha particle, that is 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, and distance is given 1 angstrom, and we know 1 angstrom equal to 10 to the power minus 10 meters. So now we can easily calculate electric field by the formula 1 by 4 pi epsilon q by r square, and we know the value of 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 is how much? 9 into 10 to the power 9, and q is given 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 19 and r is given 10 to the power minus 10 and is a square. So if we will solve, it will be 2.8 into 10 to the power, this will be 29, this will be 11 Newton per Coulomb. Now I shall go to the next question. So next question is a spherical metallic conductor carrying charge 20 coulomb having radius 3 meter. Find the electric field at a distance of 9 meter at the surface, at a distance of 2 meter and at the center. So solution. So charge is given, Q is 20 coulomb and a spherical metallic conductor is given which have radius how much? 3 meters. So in the first point in the question it is given find the electric field. Electric field is question mark at a distance of 9 meter. So we know the formula E equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon q by r square, and we know the value of 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 is 9 into 10 to the power 9. Q is given 20 and r is given 9 meters, means 9 whole square. So it will be 2.2 into 10 to the power 9 Newton per Coulomb. Second point is given find the electric field at the surface. At the surface means r will be now how much? Simply radius of the spherical conductor, that is 3 meters. So E will be now 1 by 4 pi epsilon q by r square, and 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 value is 9 into 10 to the power 9. Q is 20 and r is 3. So it will be cancel out each other and it will be simply 2 into 10 to the power 10 Newton per Coulomb. Now third point in the question it is given find the electric field at a distance of 2 meter. Now distance is how much? 2 meters, and but radius is given how much? 3 meters, means r is less than capital R. So we know electric field inside a spherical conductor will be 0. So since r is given less than r, so simply electric field will be 0. Similarly in the fourth point it is given find the electric field at the center. Center means inside, so electric field will also 0 for at the center of the spherical conductor. Is it clear? Now I shall go to the next question. A spherical conductor of radius 9 cm carrying charge 12 microcoulomb. Calculate the electric field at the center, at the surface, at a distance 1 meter. So given radius of the spherical conductor is how much? 9 cm, that is 9 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter, and Q is given 12 microcoulomb. that means 12 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. So in the first point we have to calculate the electric field at the center. In the earlier question I have already mentioned, inside the spherical conductor electric field is 0, at the center means electric field inside the spherical conductor, so it's simply 0. In the second point it is asking at the surface. At the surface means r will be radius of the spherical conductor, that is 9 into 10 to the power minus 2 meters. Now electric field will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon q by r square, and we know the value of 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 is 9 into 10 to the power 9. Q is given 12 microcoulomb, means 12 into minus 6, and r is 9 into 10 to the power minus 2 square, so it will be 1.33 into 10 to the power 7 Newton per coulomb. So is it clear? So now in the third point it is asking find electric field at a distance of 1 meter. So r is given how much? 1 meter, and so electric field is 1 by 4 pi epsilon q by r square. 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 has value 9 into 10 to the power 9. Q is given 12 microcoulomb, means 12 into 10 to the power minus 6. R is given 1 square. It will be 1.08 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per coulomb. Is it clear?